Start again. All right, we're back. Oh, am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay. All right, y'all. So we're back here in Unity 5. Here in Unity 5. That's what I just said. Right, but anyways, yeah, we're back, and I made another little creation thing here, and I just wanted to show it off real quick. Another step forward in my game development career. It's a little game I made here. It's actually a recreation of a game I made years ago. If you look on my channel, you can find it's actually one of the first few videos I made. I called it the Clever Game title, and that's why we have this little revised in parentheses right here, because it's revised. You know, it's better. But yeah, I'll go ahead and boot this thing up just so we're not sitting around talking here forever. So yeah, we got the little exit game button, but it's not going to exit because it's running in the Unity editor right now. But if we hit Let's Rock, the game begins. Press any direction to begin, and so the excitement begins. But yeah, this game is actually originally really inspired off of, I believe it was called The Wave Game by Real Touch GML. He's actually a YouTuber. I'll probably link him in the description. Gotta talk, enunciate. But yeah, I used to follow along with his Java tutorials back in the day, and yeah, like that was when I was not a lot younger, but a little bit younger. And so now that I'm older and a little bit more skilled in what I do, I actually just wanted to try my hand at the game again. I did add my own personal spin to the stuff. Like I added an energy bar and I made it a little bit different. Well, the original game does have an energy bar, but I made it a little bit different. I made the bad guys bounce off of the player, which was something different from the original. They kind of just passed through the player and did damage and whatever, they moved on. But I feel like this makes the game a little bit more difficult because depending on how the enemy hits you, it'll actually change their trajectory. I think I pronounced that right. Yep, I died. Here's the game over screen. But yeah, it changes the trajectory of the bad guys, and so they're a little bit less predictable. That was the issue. I feel like the first game is that the enemies just kind of once you saw their pattern, it wasn't really that hard to dodge them. But now, like, if they hit you, they have a completely different path, and so you actually kind of have to anticipate where they're going to be next and make more of an effort. Also, you might notice that for some reason, the player kind of just clips through the wall. I don't actually know why this is happening. Initially, when I started the game, I made sure that the player couldn't glitch through walls, but then somewhere along the line in development, that got undone. I don't know how or why. I tried to fix it, but nothing seems to work. So it kind of just is what it is right now. But it's not that big of a deal because I'm not releasing this publicly, so nobody's gonna actually play this and abuse the game. Plus, you gotta come out of the wall eventually to collect the pellets, so it's not that great. Also, in the original game, I did add like levels. So like once your score reached like 10 or something, like more bad guys would spawn, or a different kind of bad guy would spawn, one that tracked you and things like that. I'm not sure. I don't really quite remember everything I did in my previous version of this game that I did back in Java. I used Eclipse as the IDE for that one. But yeah, there's actually no like levels or waves in this version of the game that I made, simply because this was just like a practice run. You know, I'm still learning Unity, and I just wanted to use this as somewhat of like a practice run. You know, it's been years since I made the last version of the game, so I was like, you know, I'm a little bit more skilled, a little bit better at what I do now. Let me try my hand at something I did years ago, and let me see how much better it turns out. But I didn't want to dedicate so much time to this that, you know, it's taken me long to get to other more exciting projects, because I mean, this isn't the most exciting game to play. You know, it's fun for about 3 seconds, and then you want to move on to the next thing. So yeah, in the future, maybe later on down the line, I'll probably add more like bells and whistles and little tweaks to the game here and there, just to kind of build on it and see where it goes in the future. But as of right now, that's not really my primary focus. I want to do some other things. I'm gonna try and pick up making 3D games and not just 2D everything all the time. So yeah, but for now, that's kind of it. Thanks for watching. I should probably hook up this the options menu that I made in the last video with this main menu. Make this game a little bit more exciting. Maybe that'll be one of the things that I actually add to this game. Who knows? But yeah, for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you stopping by. Make sure to drink a lot of water, eat your vegetables, and stay in school. And I will see you in the next one. Later.